Hello, welcome to Always Curious. It's Braden and I again.
Hello,
And
hello.
you want to say hi, Braden?
Hello, everybody.
Yeah,
We got to be back.
yeah. I thought I would surprise Braden with a couple questions about the two No Road to Reality posts that we have out there on YouTube. One of them is the single particle being shot at a wall, and the other one is the two particles, the pion hitting a proton, and then several particles coming out. So let's go to the first one where you shoot a electron at a wall. And I'm curious about what we say in the video is that you create the electron and then you start it to move and poof, it's gone. Turns into a mathematical entity. And then when it hits the wall, it turns back into an electron. Now, were you taught that explicitly in your physics classes?
Definitely not. No, I was not. We were taught the concept of the probability wave,
Yeah.
but it's the same thing, and I think that this is at least the implication that is made. It's the wave particle duality here, where it's like it's both. And
Exactly.
yeah,
That's
yeah, you're not. Yeah.
I mean, when did you learn that it's no, it's really a mathematical thing?
I was probably 29 years old, and this guy Phil Canada told me about it.
But do you believe him?
I believe him. I believe him. It all
Yeah,
makes sense. It's
it all
it's it
makes
is the
sense.
way it's the way it is. They just don't tell you that.
They
And
don't, yeah, it's a wave particle. An electron is a wave and it's a particle.
yeah,
No,
that's they get
it's
around
a
it.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
That's the way they get around it is by telling you that it's both at the same time.
Yeah, yeah, it's but in reality, well, not even in reality. In
What
their
they're teaching you is different.
yeah,
Yeah, in their framework, that's not what's happening, but they don't
no,
want you to ask questions, and so they're like, no, it's both at the same time.
that's right.
Yeah.
And and when you shoot a pion at a proton, do they you probably didn't have scattering theory though, did you?
I didn't, but I can almost turn the question back on you for at least one of the main points in that video. And you've already answered it here. You said, whenever you were prepping the question, you said, and shooting the pion at a proton, and some particles come out. Clearly, they didn't teach what particles come out, or do they even care what particles come out? You said it yourself. They don't
Yeah.
care
Well, they care what particles come out. They don't care about the process by which those particles come
how it
out.
happens, how it
How it
happens.
happens. How it happens exactly. And
That's it.
that's reality, isn't it?
It is reality. That
Yeah,
is,
I mean, reality is how it happens.
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's a funny question. That's good. I thought it was going to be a pop quiz, and you were going to ask me to solve
Well, I was
solve this equation.
yeah, can you please solve the Schrodinger equation for the particle being shot at a wall?
That is hilarious.
No,
So
that's it. That's I think this is exactly what I think we should have um,
yeah,
as a post now.
I think it should be noted for the viewers that you did come in with the surprise question you hinted last week. I'm going to ask you something on the fly. It's funny because that really does point to the way it's taught these days. It is just
Yeah,
taught. No, at the same time, it's a particle and a wave.
yeah,
But the it's the words they say and what they actually do. And what they're actually doing is not that. They're telling you that it's a particle, then it's nothing, and then a particle again.
that's right. And that's just weird.
It is. It is. It
All
is.
right, all right. Well, that's it.
Great.